guys, I'm Lakshya and I'm back again with the fifth question of mensuration exercise 10.4. So here you have a container shaped a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeters and height 15 centimeters is full of ice cream. Okay, the ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeters and diameter 6 centimeters, making a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. So here you have an ice cream container. Okay. Now here you have a container. So this container is in a shape of a cylindrical shaped one. And now what happens here is, the question is, let me repeat. The ice cream is to be filled into cones. Okay, so that the ice cream is to be filled into cones. So you have an ice cream in this given container. So this ice cream should be filled into this given cones with a hemisphere mounted on the given cone. Okay, hemisphere mounted. So let me draw a hemisphere over here. Something like a hemisphere. Let it be. So a hemisphere is mounted on the given cone. Now find the number of such cones can be filled with the ice cream. So how many cones can be filled with the ice cream in the given container? Okay, so this is the question. So to solve this given question, so let me write down like solution. So firstly, the question here is, how many ice creams do I get from the given container ice cream? Okay, so to find this, let me firstly go with the, here they have given dimensions, right? So let me write the diameters. So diameters of the given figures, where diameter is 12 centimeters for the given container. Okay, can you see? Let me draw like this, where 12 centimeters. Okay, diameter equals 12 centimeters and the height. Okay, height equals to what? The container circular cylinder has 12 centimeter diameter. Height is 15 centimeters. Okay, the height of this given container is 15 centimeters of height. So the height is 15 centimeters. And the diameter is 12 centimeters. So here centimeters over there. Now next, the ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeters. So the ice cream. Okay, so the height of the cone. Okay, so the height of the cone is what? The height of the cone is 12 centimeters. And what else? And the diameter of this given cone. So the diameter will be 6 centimeters. Diameter means D, right? So D equals to 6 centimeters. Okay. So the height is 12 centimeters. So the height of the cone is 12 centimeters and the diameter of this given cone is 6 centimeters. So where diameter means you have the base over here. So this base of the cone is common. So you have common base for cone and as well as the hemisphere. So where hemisphere has been surmounted on the cone. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. So here let's find, by this we can easily find the volume of the given cylinder firstly. So volume of a cylinder. Okay. So volume of a cylinder. I am taking cylinder because you have a container which is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay. So the volume of a cylinder equals to what? Pi r square h, right? The formula as you know, pi r square h. So pi value 22 by 7, radius r. So where diameter over here is equals to what? Diameter equals to 12 centimeters, right? Then what will be the radius? Radius means d by 2, diameter by 2, where d equals to 12 by 2. 2 ones to 2 times 6, 6. So therefore diameter equals to 6 centimeters. Done. Now height value, as we know, height h equals to 50 centimeters. Now let me just substitute in this given formula. So let it be pi value be 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into r means radius. So radius equals to 6. So 6 into 6 into h means height equals to 15 centimeters. So let me write down like 15 centimeters. Then so here I got this, let it be centimeter cube. So centimeter cube I got. Okay, let this be where volume of cylinder equals to 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 15 centimeter cube. Don't simplify this, okay? Later we will be doing this process. So let me write down here where the volume of cylinder, where volume of cylinder equals to 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 15. Okay, just keep this aside. Okay, we will be using this later. Now let's go for the next one. So here you have what? Let's find the volume of cone, guys. Okay, so volume of cone. So to find the volume of cone, let me again take like the formula will be what? Volume of cone. Volume of a cone equals to formula 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? So let me write down like 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into pi r square h. So our pi value, so let's go for the r value by radius. So diameter equals to 6 centimeters means d diameter. Diameter equals to denoted by d, right? So diameter equals to 6 centimeters. Then what will be the radius? Radius equals to d by 2. Radius equals to d by 2. Diameter by 2. Diameter equals to 6 by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So 2 comes to 2, this 6. Therefore I can select diameter equals to what? 3 centimeters. Sorry, the radius equals to 3 centimeters. So radius of cone equals to 3 centimeters. Then the radius of the hemisphere will also be 3 centimeters. So let's substitute the values over here. I got height h equals to 12 centimeters. Let it be like that. Now here you have what? 1 by 3. Let 1 by 3 be 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into you have r means radius. So 3 into 3 r square, right? So 3 into 3 into h, height 12 centimeters. Done. Now here 3, you have 3 gets cancelled, and that's all, right? So let it be. Now therefore I got what? The volume of the cone. So let it be like this. Don't simplify or just don't multiply it. We will be doing it for later. So this will become like 22 by 7 into 3 into 12. So let the volume of cone be. Let me write over here. Where volume of cone equals to 22 by 7 into 3 into 12 centimeter cube. Okay, let it be centimeter cube. Now done, I got the volume of cube, where volume of cube equals to 22 by 7 into 3 into 12. Now let's go for the next one, volume of a hemisphere. So here you have where this will be the volume of the cone, and on this cone you have a hemisphere which has been surmounted. As given over here, we're making a hemispherical shape on the top of the cone. So let's now find the volume of the hemisphere. So to find the volume of a hemisphere, just take radius as 3, guys. Okay, where radius equals to 3 centimeters. Now let me write down like here, where volume of a hemisphere. So the formula will be what? 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3. Where r, okay, radius. Let me write down like radius equals to 3 centimeters, right? A radius equals to what? 3 centimeters. So 2 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into r cube means 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. So let me write down like 3 into 3 into 3. Therefore 3 gets cancelled. Here I have what? 2 into 22 by 7. Let me write down like 2 into 22 by 7 into 3 is what? 9. Let it be like this. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 9. Okay. So as here, let me write like here, where volume of what hemisphere, right? Hemisphere equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 9 centimeter cube again. So I got these 3 values. Now here we must find what? So I need to find let's find the volume of the ice cream, guys. Okay. So I got the volume of container. Now I need to find the volume of ice cream, and by that I can find the number of ice cream cones that can be filled with this given container. So now let's find the volume of this given total cone. Where cone is where ice cream. Okay, we must find the volume of the ice cream. So volume of ice cream, it is a mixture of cone plus hemisphere, right? So volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere gives us the volume of ice cream. So let me write down here the volume of ice cream equals to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So where the volume of ice cream equals to what? Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, right? So volume of ice cream, let it be like equals to, so here volume of cone, what given over here, 22 into 3 into 12, so let it be like 22 by 7 into 3 into 12 plus volume of hemisphere 2 into 22 by 7 into 9. Okay, 2 into 22 by 7 into 9. Now here you have what is by 22. So here let me write, like just take 22 by 7 as common, guys. Okay, here 22 by 7, here 22 by 7, 22 by 7. Just take 22 by 7 as common. Now into, you have what? 3 2's. So 3 2's what? 2. 3 into 12. 12 3 is 36 plus 2 9's. 2 9's 18. So let it be like 36 plus 18. Therefore I can say that 22 by 7 into 36 plus 18. So 36 plus 18 gives what? 54. Yeah, 54. Where 22 by 7 into 54 centimeter cube. Therefore I can say that the volume of the ice cream equals 22 by 7 into 54 centimeter cube. Okay, let this be like this, where the volume of ice cream. So V of ice cream, let it be. Let me take it where volume of ice cream. Volume of ice cream here got what? 22 by 7 into 54 centimeter cube. Where here, where I have taken like 22 by 7 into 3 into 12 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 9. So 3 2's, so 12 is 36. So 12 is 36, 22 by 7 into 36, 2 9 is 18. So 36 plus 18, 54, 22 by 7 into 54 centimeter cube. Now, so now done with this. Now to find the, okay, now let's find the number of cones. Okay, so let number of ice cream cones be n. Okay, let's represent that as, let number of the ice cream cones be n. Okay, so n value, n into, so here I can select n into volume of one ice cream cone. Sorry, not cone, as here they have mentioned cone ice cream, so here let me write it like ice cream. Okay, where volume of one ice cream equals to volume of the cylinder or volume of the container. Okay, so volume of the let me take like cylinder. Okay, volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder given what? 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 15. So volume of ice cream is what? 22 by 7 into 54. Now here I need to find the n value. N means number of ice creams, number of ice creams that can be made from the container. So I need n value. So to find n value, just transpose this to the other side. So as here I can write like, let me write the values instead of it, where n equals to, so you have volume of cylinder, so volume of cylinder by volume of the ice cream cone, right? So volume of one ice cream cone, so let n equals to volume of cylinder what? 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 15 divided by volume of one ice cream cone equals to what? 22 by 7 into 54, right? So 22 by 7 into 54. Done. Now here 22 by 7 gets cancelled. Now we have 54, right? So 54, 6 1 6, 6 9 is 54, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Now further simplification is we get like 3 1s 3, 3 5s 15, right? So therefore 2 5s what? 10. No, nothing, no value is remained over here, just apart from 2 and 5. So just multiply like 2 5s. So 2 into 5, 10. So 2 5s 10, so n equals to 10. So let me take like therefore. Let's conclude like here. Therefore, the number of ice creams can be filled. So here the number of ice creams that can be filled with ice cream. So the number of cones that can be filled with ice cream equals to 10. Done. So you have 10 ice creams. So 10 such ice creams can be filled from the container, a container where the container contains ice cream. So 10 cones can be made from the given container. Thank you.